Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Kittle's Garage. Alright, so as we all know, we have the toy hauler. I'm not really sure what happened, but this is the passenger side. There's a little tab right there. Should have been right there. Looks kind of like that little tab. Anyways, it broke off, lens popped off, going down the freeway, and now we have no lens. So, I went on Amazon and found replacement taillights, but they're LED, so we're going to do both sides. There's the new one, perfect match. Yes. And we're going to wire them up. All right, guys. Let me put you down here. I apologize for the crappy video, but hey, by now you guys are used to it. So, just 4 screws. Pop the 4 screws off, which I already did that yesterday or the day before, just because I wanted to see what was back here. Do it like that. Bam. Voila. So, now we need to pull this caulk off. Alright, I'm going to put you on pause because I don't want to peel this off. Give me 1 second here. Alright, kids, I'm back. I cheated. And I couldn't find a scraper, so I just used a screwdriver. Scraped off the caulk. Got some new caulk, flexible, outdoor, crack proof, blah blah blah, window door, siding trim. So we can caulk that back up. Let's pop the new lens out, preferably without breaking it. Okay. There we go. Bam. So, we got white, green, black. And I did also get some of the heat shrink connectors, which are very cool. So let's get one side on. Hope everyone's enjoying their Thursday. I do have some other projects going on, which I apologize I have not finished. I'm kind of bouncing all over the place. I do apologize about that. Still got the pool to work on, get it packed up. I still have the hot tub to work on. If you're wondering, I'm just putting the connectors on like so. Get that on, crimp it, bam, she's crimped just like that. We got the white, the green, now the black. Slide that on like so. Oh, shit. Excuse me. Oh, shit. Okay. So, there is our 3 connections. Now come over here. We got the weight. Pop the weight off. Pop the Case off. Plastic. We have the white, green, and black. Green goes with brown, and black goes with the green. That's kind of odd, but it is what it is. Peel that off. Pop, 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 pop goes the bees in. All right. So I will not be testing this today. I do apologize about that. It's getting kind of late. I may not even get to the other side. All right, shove the weight in there. So there. Shove the weight in there. Crimper. Crimp. 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 And we'll heat her up. Okay, you guys see? Oh yeah, you can see that. So all you do is you just take your lighter and heat it up. Just like that. And you got a watertight seal. Thanks. And we'll do the green next. Like so. Oops. Just want to tell you guys, I appreciate everybody that follows me, that subscribes to my channel. I know I'm probably not the best person out there. Probably have better videos you like to watch, better people you like to subscribe to, but hey, we're learning, right? We can't all be perfect. That's why you watch me, right? Alright, so there's the green. Just heat her up. Can you see that? Yeah, you still see that. Heat her up. And like that, you guys got a waterproof connection. Love it. Alright, now the last one is black. Ow. It's a little hot. Nah. Cut the end off here. So, throw the black connection on. Oops. Get that. Oh, swing, baby, swing. Swing, bada, 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 bada. Down. Push that in. Crimper. Crimper. Look at that. That is all three connections. We'll heat it up. Just like that. Woo. All right. So. Got that on. Shove the wires in the hole. Actually making sure the holes line up before I screw it in. And hole. Hole. They should. I think they do. I can't tell. That's one hole. Yes, guys, holes line up. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So, Now we'll get some caulk here. They had it around that hole and around this hole. Then we had it on the back. That's the top. Get this all caulked up. Like so. Shove that in there. The wires. Get the screws lined up here. Get the screw lined up here. And then just like that, kids. So, got a little bit of caulk sticking out, leaking out. I think what we're going to try to do is hook that up. Which is working-ish. Working-ish. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe we have a new taillight here. Let's pop the cover on. Yay! Boys and girls, we have a new taillight. Look at that. It's on. Now hopefully it works. So, should we do the other side? Yeah, let's do the other side. Hold on, I'm gonna put you on pause for a second. Alright guys, you still with me? So, alright kids, we're back. We are on the driver's side now. This one is not broken, but because I upgraded to LED, we need to change both sides. That's just a ball. So, let's, oh, I need my drill. This side might not be caught. Can't tell. I will be able to tell here in a second though. And yep, she is. Oh, look at that rat's nest. Jesus. Alright, so same thing. Here we'll show you. Just pull all the rubber off. Like so. Oh. And then clean her up a little bit. Just like that. Alright, so what we're going to end up doing, I don't think my connectors are going to fit all those wires in there. I guess they would. Let's try with let's try white. We'll try the white one. Oops. Get those kinked up there. My connector don't fit. Crap, guys. What are we gonna do now? Alright, let's try playing beat. I have a couple extra of these. Oh yeah, that ain't fitting in there. Poop. Alright, I'm gonna put you on pause because I gotta figure out something different to do. Poop. Alright, I gotta put you on pause. Guys, you're gonna kill me. I forgot to turn you back on. So I got two connections up. This is kind of a pain in the butt. Excuse me. Okay, so I got this last connection to hook up here. I had to do this a little bit different than the other side because there's extra wires. So I ended up having to use a different type of connection. It should work. I hope. We're gonna find out here. Actually, we won't find out today because I'll have to check this another day. Okay, so just screw that on. Now what I didn't show you on the white wires is I did use a little bit of electrical tape. Just hold that together like so. Like that. Wrap it back around the top one more time. Like so. Alright. Now, we can start to shove that back in the hole. Oh, we got caulker. Get some caulk. This is what they had on the other side. We just copped around the hole. Copped around that hole. And then goop it up on here. You know what, guys? I do have to admit one thing. I do kind of like making these videos. I like the... Hopefully I'm teaching you something. Okay, so... Oh, man. Shove the wires back in the hole. Come on, baby. Get back in there. There you go. Just like that. Grab my screw. Grab my screw. Line her up. Line her up. Bring my gun. Shit. Get in there. There you go. Ooh. Ooh. So, my little minions, that should be all we gotta do. Okay. Now, get the caulk off. Caulk. I said caulk. Oh God. I made a mess. Guys. I'm sorry, I'm such a slob. God. I got more caulk over my hands than I do on my caulk. Okay. I think that'll work. What do you think? I think that's it, kids. Now, put the new lens on. Interesting. Pop that on. do so, say, I think that's a wrap. I'll put the license plate back on here in a second. LED taillight. LED taillight. Alright. I will not bore you with putting the plate on. I appreciate you guys hanging with me today. And if nobody's told you today, I appreciate yous. Alright guys, keep it squatchy. See you until next time.